Question number 4. Question 4 is name the methods employed in animal breeding. Okay, according to you, which of the method is best and why? Okay, now there are several ways in breeding animals. Which method is the best one? So we are going to name all the methods, and lastly we will say that this method is the best one. So there are mainly 3 methods. Let's have a look. Which are they? Methods employed in animal breeding are: first, inbreeding; second, outbreeding. What, students? Inbreeding. Second is outbreeding. Outbreeding is such as outcrossing, crossbreeding, or interspecific hybridization. So they are not of the same breed. And lastly, we have got controlled breeding, such as artificial insemination and multiple ovulation transfer. So best method is which one? So we are supposed to say controlled method is the best breeding method. So controlled breeding is the best method of animal breeding as it ensures good quality of progeny. Okay. Controlled breeding is artificial insemination. So they will take semen from an ox, they will take it and inject it in the cows. Now, it is economic as the semen obtained from one single bull can inseminate many of the cows housed at 4 places. Okay. So from one bull, many of the cows can be inseminated. And so students, best method is controlled breeding. Remember, in and out. And the best one is what? C. Okay, students? So remember it this way. Okay.